A snowbank may be the reason why a tow truck driver is still alive tonight. That's according to the man's co-worker on Highway 275 south of Fremont. The victim was standing in the road when a vehicle hit him, sending him flying into the snowbank. 2 hours later, a deputy at the scene was in his cruiser when he was hit. He suffered minor injuries. KETV News Watch 7's Melissa Fry is live with an update on the victim's condition. Melissa?
Well, Brandy, the victim is at the Nebraska Medical Center tonight. His condition has been upgraded to fair condition from critical condition. Now, co-workers at Mike's Towing in Fremont say the man is 64-year-old Henry Chilsworth. They say he's expected to be okay. Authorities say this accident is one of several due to near whiteout conditions.
Blowing snow threatens the open highway. Here on Highway 275 near Highway 36, this Chevy Malibu needed to be pulled from the ditch. Mike Stoley, the owner of the towing company, says he and another coworker were just about to pull when a van going about 40 miles an hour hit Stoley and Henry Chilsworth. Stoley says Chilsworth flew several feet, landing in a snowbank. He believes that pile of snow saved his coworker's life. Stoley tells me the driver of the van said he did not see the tow truck or the car. Near whiteout conditions cause another accident near downtown Omaha. This crash victim's vehicle ends up under a semi-truck pinned against the wall on I-80 near 13th Street. Rescuers used the jaws of life to pull the victim out. Omaha police won't release the victim's name or age, but say she was taken to the hospital.
Now, going back to the crash in Fremont, a Douglas County deputy was also heard at that same scene about 2 hours later. He was in his cruiser when another vehicle crashed into it. The deputy went to Lakeside Hospital. He should be okay. Reporting live, Melissa Fry, KETV News Watch 7.
The metro is under a winter weather advisory right now.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Ramby is live with tonight.